Hi! So today's video is going to be a easy eye makeup that's Christmas inspired and sparkly and fun and festive. I'm very excited. So let's just get started. Alrighty, so I have eyeshadow primer and I have curled my eyelashes already. So we're just gonna jump in. So what I'm going to be doing first is, this is just super simple. I'm going to take this like sparkly kind of silver shade, kind of a silvery brown. I'm not sure how well it's showing up on camera, but I love it. This is a Tarte Make Believe in Yourself palette. They actually don't sell it anymore, but it's pretty easy just to find the silvery shade that you like. So I actually like to put this on with my finger, and we're just going to put that all over the eyelid. Super easy, nothing fancy. You can kind of blend it up into the crease a little bit. You don't want to go higher than that, but after I apply it with my finger, I'm going to take a fluffy blending brush and just make sure it has no harsh edges or anything. This looks like you spent a ton of time on it without actually happening to. It's great. I'm going to take the highlighter shade in the middle of this palette. So whatever highlighter you like best, I personally recommend a really light white highlighter. And then I'm going to take that on my ring finger and put that just in the very corner of my eye. This kind of just brightens it all up. This is my favorite thing. Even if I don't do any other makeup, I like putting something sparkly just in my inner corner of my eye. It kind of just brightens everything up, and I think it looks really cute. And then kind of related to that, this is optional, but I'm going to do a little bit of white eyeliner in my lower waterline. This has the same effect, but I think it's fun to do for like the holidays. Okay, and that's really all I'm going to do for eyeshadow. You can add more or less if you want, but this personally, I like to focus more on the eyeliner for what I'm doing. So just one simple color is perfect, and especially if it's sparkly. I like doing sparkly eyeshadow. So next for eyeliner, I'm just going to be taking my little Baby Yoda palette, and I'm going to take this dark green shade, Float Your Crib, and just line my eye like normal on an angled brush. If you have a green eyeliner or that kind of thing you'd rather use, that's totally fine. This is just my favorite shade of green that I have. Okay, and here's the fun part. So I'm going to be taking the Urban Decay glitter eyeliner. This is the color Glam Rock. It's the heavy metal, I think that's all it's called, eyeliner. But I'm going to take this and I'm going to put it over the green, because this doesn't quite show up on its own right away. You can layer it and build it up and totally use it, but I like putting it over colors because then you look like it's just sparkly green or sparkly purple or blue or that kind of thing. So we're just going to line directly over the eyeliner that is already there, but with this. Look at that. And I will say, be really careful with this. Don't open your eye all the way while you're doing it, otherwise you will have an eyeliner glitter line like right here. So wait for it to dry before you fully open your eye, because I have made that mistake way too many times. Okay, and what's nice about this is when it starts to dry down, you can kind of feel it dry down. It won't feel wet and cold on your eye anymore, so then you know it's okay to move on. So now we're going to do the other side. Same thing, just lining it over the green. Okay, once that's there, just let it dry. Just closing my eyes, awkwardly talking to the camera. I'll see you in a minute. Okay, and now for mascara. You can use whatever mascara you want, or if you like fake eyelashes or any of that, you can just be creative. I have been trying out the Tarte Cosmetics Surfer Curl. It's white font, if I'm not showing on camera. Because I got it with like their custom kit sale this year. So I'm trying this out. Trick that I found with mascara, especially certain ones, this is one of them, where if you wait and let it dry in between coats, it works a lot better versus trying to do multiple at one time. So I'll usually do a coat and then I'll wait just like a minute or something, not very long, and then I will do the second coat. And I feel like it looks better and it doesn't clump as much. There are definitely some mascaras that you can just put multiple coats on and go, but then there's also certain ones that I've played around with enough and know, okay, if I let it dry in between coats, it works better. And personally, I would rather wait a minute in between coats versus trying to get it fast and then having to try and fix it because it's clumpy, because it technically takes less time just to do right the first time. So that is something I've had to learn. Okay, and then if you want to add setting spray or anything like that, you can do that. If not, we're done. And here's the finished look. The green, I will say, shows up more in real life, but it still looks pretty on camera. Thank you guys so much for watching. This was so much fun. What is your go-to makeup for the holidays? If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified every single time I upload. And again, I'm doing Christmas videos every week this month, so come back and also let me know if there are any holiday themed videos you like. So I think that's about it. I will see you all next week, and I hope that you have a Merry Magical Monday. Bye.